Imagine moving into your new home, filled with excitement, but then a thought pops into your head. Who else might still have keys to your front door? Perhaps previous owners, contractors, or even neighbors. It is a common concern that can easily be addressed. Replacing your locks yourself primarily involves understanding the types of locks you have, selecting appropriate replacements, and using a few basic household tools. It is a straightforward home security upgrade that many homeowners can confidently tackle. The core reason DIY lock replacement is so accessible lies in the standardized designs of most residential lock sets. Locks are generally categorized into entry door knobs with keys and separate deadbolts, or sometimes integrated handle sets. You might choose to replace the entire lock mechanism, or simply rekey the existing lock cylinders, which changes the internal pins so only new keys will work. This option is often quicker and more budget-friendly. Key factors influencing your choice include the desired level of security, the current condition of your locks, and your personal comfort with basic home improvement tasks. To begin, carefully examine your existing locks to determine their type and measurements, such as the backset, which is the distance from the edge of the door to the center of the borehole. Most residential locks use a standard backset of to and 3/8 inches or to and 3/4 inches. You will also need to note the door thickness. With these measurements in hand, you can confidently purchase compatible replacement locks from any hardware store. Installation typically requires only a Phillips head screwdriver, making it a project almost anyone can accomplish. An insider tip is to consider smart locks for enhanced convenience and security. These advanced options allow keyless entry, remote access, and even temporary passcodes for guests. While they are a bit more involved than traditional lock replacements, many smart locks are designed for do-it-yourself installation and offer a significant upgrade to your home security system. Remember, a new home deserves fresh security. Ultimately, performing your own lock replacement provides not only enhanced security and peace of mind in your new home, but also a valuable sense of accomplishment. It is a practical, empowering step that helps you truly settle in and take ownership of your personal sanctuary, ensuring only authorized individuals have access.